But
Yeah.
today very quiet.
Really quiet.
Okay, I have
Thank you,
I have to go.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, you too. Have a good day.
Yeah, take care. Yeah.
Bye.
How you doing, guys, today? Some of you probably already know where I am. I hope so you're keeping well anyway, like always. And today I'm in Virgin Beach in Candidasa, East Bali. Some of you guys asked me to do the vlog on Virgin Beach and Candidasa, so today this is the vlog. I do the vlogs mostly for you guys, not just for myself. I just enjoy the process of making the vlogs. However, whatever you wanna see, I'm trying to make it vlogs what you will watch, not just to make a vlog. So if you have something, wanna see something, comment below. I will try to make it in the future. Of course, that must be a normal thing, not super silly, not illegal, and not super expensive. I hope so you understand me. If so, just comment below what you wanna see tomorrow, after tomorrow, next week, next month. Let me know, guys. If it's possible, I will make it. And now I will show you a little bit about the Bukit Asih. This is where I am now, actually. Over there in this direction is the Virgin Beach, and little bit of Candidasa. And stay tuned, guys. I hope so you will enjoy it. By the way, beautiful view, and it's super hot. That's why I need to have a little bit break in the shed.
You're putting on your blue dress, your hair falls perfect on your shoulders. Notice how we both have gotten older. And I can see that lonely place, looking at your weary face. We used to laugh at everything, remember all the games we played. I remember them like they were yesterday. You used to be my Valentine, no, I'm not even sure you're mine.
So this is the Bukit Asih, as you can see. It's very nice. This place about 2.5 years ago was just completely nothing here. Not many people, no warungs, no nothing. And then around 2 years ago, somebody bought this land, or at least acquired to law rights, and they have a camping zone or something like that. So they have like tents, and you can rent this tent and you can stay overnight over here or live here. I believe it will be difficult, but you know what I mean. Some people, this is mostly local people, like this stuff. I never saw any foreigner staying here. Actually, I never saw any foreigner here. I mean, not so many. Virgin Beach is just behind me. I will walk there now. I will show you guys. And very nice weather. As you can see, the small wee island over there. I'll show you guys around, and then I will just go straight forward to the Virgin Beach. Virgin Beach is just behind me over here, and as I saw already from here, it's super quiet, but I will show you guys around. I just want to show you now. Over here is the small swing on the tree. You can swing if you want, and the temple and island. I just want to show you. Over there is the very bottom of the cliff.
Why, baby, why? Why, baby, why? Do you ever just stop and wonder? We can't let this thing go under. Find a string of hope there somewhere. We don't have much time at hand, so first we have to understand why. know this is where we end, where we ended up at last. I know that we can never change the past. We had it all worked out, and something feels a little different now. Why, baby, why? Why, baby, why? Do you ever just stop and wonder? We can't let this thing go under. Find a string of hope there somewhere. We don't have much time at hand, so first we have to understand why. Why, baby, why? Why, baby, why? Do you ever just stop and wonder? We can't let this thing go under. Find a string of hope there somewhere. We don't have much time at hand, so first we have to understand why.
Just arrived to the Virgin Beach. I can see on this very local people, kids playing on the beach, on the one on the outside. Over there some people praying a little bit. I show you the guy gonna fly phantom drone. It's quite heavy drone, by the way. He gonna fly over here. I will walk now into the direction of the Warungs, because probably that's the part of the Virgin Beach what you guys more interested. But yeah, we will see. Check this out, guys. By the way, I will show you how's the kids playing on the beach. That's so nice vibes. So as you can see, kids, they are happy playing on the beach, enjoying the life. Like there's nothing happening. That's good. And now on the behind me over there are the Warungs, and I'm looking to find if it's any Warung open, but seems like everything is closed. But some people are there. I will make a shot for you guys. As you can see, it's completely abandoned over here. And over here, actually at the corner where I'm standing now, beside the stairs and the huge cliff, used to be a warung, like a wooden warung very close to the ocean. And I think it's gone by the wind or by the water, I don't know, but it's completely disappeared. And if some fundaments left. All these warungs are like completely empty and abandoned. Only one over there is open, only one. Really literally only one warung, and anyway I didn't saw even much tourists here, like Indonesian tourists, only local villagers or people from Candidasa maybe. Very sad view, to be honest. I will make a time lapse so you will see how really empty beach is, and it's 5 o'clock I think. Yes, it's 4:45. I will heading home and I will make an update from Candidasa. So stay tuned, guys. No tourists, yeah?
No tourists, yeah.
Super quiet, yeah?
Very, very quiet, really. Yeah.
And only you are the only one warung open here, yeah?
No.
Who else?
It was 1, 2, 3, 4, 6.
But only one today?
But still one left. Open.
And no tourists at all, yeah?
No, just I have 2 customers right now.
Yeah.
It was you 2, there also 2. Normally Saturday or Sunday more tourists coming.
Yeah, but local Indonesian, yeah? Or
Not
only?
also local, yeah. Sometimes tourists, yeah, Western still left in Bali.
oh,
Yes. Just tourists stay in around Bali.
Oh, yeah,
not
yeah,
live
yeah.
yet.
But
Yeah.
today very quiet. Today
Really
very
quiet.
Okay, I have
Thank
to.
you, Bodan.
I have to go.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, you too. Have a good day.
Yeah, take care. Yeah.
Bye.
So as you can see, I spoke with the owner a little bit, and actually it's one tourist there, one girl, and he said there used to be 6 warungs open, but it's as quiet as it's not a point at all. However, he said it's only in weekends some people are coming. That's actually obviously everywhere in Bali. Weekends are slightly more busier than weekdays. However, most of us knows Bali as is busy as Sundays every day in Bali, right? Okay.
Standing at the door, I'm on the way. A million things I guess that I should say, but I am done. Yeah, I am done. Letting go of all my heavy load. I waited for the moment to unfold.
Alright guys, as you can see, I'm now in Candidasa, and almost everything is closed. Almost everything is closed, and it's super quiet. As you can see, all dive shops are closed. Famous, less famous, everything is just quiet here. I will attach the GoPro. So I will show you guys around a little bit how is the situation over here. Stay tuned, guys.
Nobody's gonna make me feel I'm going down. Oh, I'm doing alright, I'm doing okay. I stand up and take it as I go. I'm doing alright, I'm doing okay. Stronger than ever. Baby, it's not a shade of mine. All in all, I'm doing fine. Doing alright, I'm doing okay.
So as you can see, it's very quiet over here. Almost everything is closed. The only shops are open, and one restaurant was also open. However, it's very quiet, as you can see. Candidasa is always cozy, maybe not super quiet, but cozy. but today, as you can see, yeah, it's very quiet.
Setting up a goal to grow from heart. It's all about to master who we are. Nobody's gonna make me feel I'm off the chart. I'm doing alright, I'm doing okay. I stand up and take it as I go. I'm doing alright, I'm doing okay. Stronger than ever. Faded, it's not a shade of mine. All in all, I'm doing fine. Doing alright, I'm doing okay. I'm gonna hold the line, yeah. I'm gonna be just fine. Tonight I feel alive. Tonight I feel alive. And I'm doing alright. Stronger than ever. Faded, it's not a shade of mine. All in all, I'm doing fine. Doing alright, I'm doing okay. I'm doing alright, I'm doing okay. It's not a shade of mine.
Alright guys, as you can see, the Candidasa is very super quiet. Some businesses are open, some mostly they are closed. Diving companies, they are open on request, so if I wanna dive and I gonna call them, the owners are here, so probably they will open for me and do some whatever I want. However, offices are just closed and the phone numbers are on the doors. One bar, Bintang Lounge, where is it? Here is open. However, I wish to have a Bintang or a coffee, but it's already 5:30 and I have around 1 hour to go home. I don't want to be very late. Winnie is already home waiting for me. However, this place, Bungalow Gerinsing, is totally closed, totally dead. Famous Lezat is open. Okay guys, I think that will be enough for today's vlog. I show you the Virgin Beach, Candidasa, how is the life over here. Roughly, as you can see, super quiet. I hope so you enjoyed today's vlog. Like always, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to share, like, comment, subscribe. Let me know in the comments below if you like it and what would you like to see next. Maybe tomorrow, maybe after tomorrow, just let me know. And like always, stay safe, stay healthy, and something new tomorrow at 7 p.m. Bali Time GMT +8. Take care guys, see ya.